Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Chase business account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up a recurring payment through your Chase account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a recurring payment with your Chase business account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some vendors you pay on a recurring basis, and instead of having to remember it, you can set up your Chase account to send out the payment automatically. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Chase online banking. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Chase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up a recurring payment, it's going to be set up through bill pay. So what you want to do is on this top blue menu, click on pay and transfer. Once you do that, on this white menu, you're going to click on pay. Once you've done that, look for this box right here, bill pay. Go ahead and click on pay bill. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the pays that you've added into your bill pay. If this is somebody new that you're going to set up the recurring payment to, you're going to need to click right here, add a new payee into your bill pay. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that process in detail. So basically all you do is click add new payee. After that, it's going to walk you through adding the payee name, the account number, and then their address. So let me go ahead and go back. Okay, so once you've added them, they're going to be here in this list, and go ahead and choose them to set up the recurring monthly payment through your Chase account. Okay, so once you click on their name, it's going to open up this box. So first off, here on the left, you're going to go ahead and choose which account of yours with Chase you're going to make this payment through. Once you've chosen the account, go ahead and click on this blue set up a recurring payment button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up here. So they let me know it's going to take 5 business days to receive, because this particular pay is not set up through electronic payments. So Chase is going to set up a recurring paper check to be mailed out. So first go ahead and choose the frequency, and then choose when it needs to be delivered by, because Chase is going to mail the check out with enough time to go through the mail system. And then go ahead and choose the first payment date. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I set up a monthly recurring payment to be delivered by the 7th. So what's going to happen is Chase is going to mail this out 7 to 10 days before this date. And I set the first payment date for September. And here you can go ahead and choose the duration. So if you need to set up a recurring payment for 12 payments, you can go ahead and choose this and set it up as 12 payments. And let me scroll down a little. Okay, after that, you want to go ahead and choose the account this money is going to come from. So I'm going to use my checking account, and then message to recipient. If you have some sort of an account number with them or some sort of reference, like maybe you're buying a car, be sure to put that in there, and then click on. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get this confirmation screen for you to review. So read through all of this recurring payment that you're setting up, and if everything looks good, go ahead and click on schedule payments down here on the bottom right in blue. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a recurring payment with your Chase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.